guys, I'm starting out with a moisturizing deep conditioner. My hair is already freshly shampooed and I'm just using this deep conditioner to detangle because it provides a lot of slip. I put my hair in twists while deep conditioning to prevent it from tangling again. My color was fading, so I just decided to add a little to the tips, and I cover it with a plastic cap and let it sit for around 45 minutes. I'm moisturizing my hair using the LCO method. My hair is already damp, so I'm just using a moisturizing cream, which is very moisturizing by the way. Then I'm sealing it in with coconut oil, and the coconut oil provides a lot of shine. I keep retwisting my hair and pinning it aside because I want to keep it smooth and detangled. Now, I'm parting my hair in smaller sections to begin twisting. To twist, I use a twisting cream by the same brand. The main ingredients are flaxseed gel and aloe vera gel. I also added EcoStyler gel for a bit more hold. I recommend using a product with hold and moisture because this provides more definition and it reduces frizz by far. When 3-strand twisting, I begin with a plait at the root and then I begin twisting. And guys, I can't explain it, so I hope you can look carefully to grasp the concept. It took me a lifetime to finally get the hang of it. When I get to the ends, I detangle to keep it smooth and prevent the frizzy end. Moving on to the back section. As you can see, I'm smoothing in the products as best as possible before I begin twisting. That's how much my hair shrunk. To stretch the twist, I pin them back to elongate them, but you don't have to do that if you don't want to. My hair was already pretty moisturized and oily, so I didn't use any oil to take them down. I gently pulled them apart and separated them where it naturally separates.
Permission, make my decision to test my limits. Cause it's my business, God is my witness. Stop what I feel lost. Don't need no holder, taking control of this kind of moment. I'm locked and loaded, completely focused. My mind is open. All that you got is gonna skin on my neck. Don't you stop, boy. Something about you makes me feel like you're dangerous from us. Something about you makes me wanna do things that I shouldn't. Something about nothing to proving. I'm bulletproofing, know what I'm doing. The way we're moving, like introducing us to a new thing. I wanna say that, save it for later. The taste of flavor, cause I'm a taker, cause I'm I'm a giver, it's only nature. I live for danger. All that you got.
I pulled it up in this cute hairstyle because I don't think it framed my face that well when it's out fully. I used an Afro pick to fluff it just a little bit, but mostly my fingers. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and let me know what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and comment. Bye.